Jai Srimanarayana. 22nd sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vedanam Samavedosmi Devanam Asmi Vasavaha Indriyanam Manaschasmi Bhutanam Asmi Chetana. Om. In your lifetime, you must listen to Samaveda Ganam at least once. There you will realize the great effulgence of Sri Krishna Paramatma while listening to Samaganam. Whoever is enjoying their great portfolio and all the luxuries, remember Sri Krishna Paramatma is there. But if they misuse their opportunity, that is not mistake of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Your mind is the chief of all your organs. He is the chief because Sri Krishna Paramatma is there. That is why connect your mind always to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Fill up Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine glories in your mind. Your conscious is Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is why you have to be always in Krishna's conscious. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now it is a very minimum courtesy for you to respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma. So follow these lines within your bhavana. Think that you are again talking to Sri Krishna Paramatma. "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely try to listen to Samaganam to enjoy your more of effulgence there. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall think of you whenever I get to see someone has more luxuries and enjoying the great portfolio like Indra. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall fill up your glories in my mind. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall be always in your consciousness. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 132nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Krishna, he is in the backyard. He is eating butter and also feeding some to monkey. And he is also pretending that might Yasoda Devi, mother, will come and beat him. He is pretending, he is looking around, he is getting scared. Then Yasoda Devi, she found Krishna in the backyard. Attayeshtim, she took one stick and coming towards Krishna. In order to protect Krishna from being accused by the entire world, in order to bring down all Krishna's mischievous activities, Yasoda Devi, while pouring affection, she is holding stick and coming towards Krishna. Chetan Selagola Patti Konuchun Kanimmu Kanimmarathanaya Yavvariyandu Chikkupadane Dandambunun Kana. While holding stick, she is saying like this, Krishna, yes, do it. Do so many all these bad activities. You are doing so much. You are messing up so many things. You are thinking that nobody can catch you. You are thinking that nobody can stop you. You are thinking that nobody can punish you. That is why you are doing all these activities. There is no limit to your all these playful activities. You are not listening to my words anymore. Krishna, today, yes, I will make sure how you will run away from me. Like that, while saying, when Yasoda Devi holding stick and coming towards Krishna, prasamikshya satvaraha tato varukhya apasasara bhitavat. Krishna saw that and immediately with so much of fear, he got down from that stone and started running away from Yasoda Devi, pretending that he is being scared from Yasoda Devi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishna Deva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 22nd sloka. Vedanam Samavedosmi Devanam Asmi Vasavaha Indriyanam Manaschasmi Bhutanam Asmi Chetana. వేదానాం సామవేదోస్మి దేవానాం అస్మి వాసవః ఇంద్రియాణం మనశ్చాస్మి భూతానాం అస్మి చేతనా. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.